Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial skills for success in both personal and professional life: time management. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to make the most out of their day, these time management tips and tricks will help you stay organized, productive, and stress-free. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. The foundation of effective time management is setting clear, specific goals. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve helps you prioritize your tasks and stay focused. Clear goals provide direction and purpose, ensuring you spend your time on what truly matters. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," set a specific goal like, "I want to run 5 kilometers 3 times a week." This clarity helps you create actionable steps and track your progress. By defining your objectives precisely, you can measure your success and stay motivated. Tip number 2. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Prioritizing helps you focus on what's most important and ensures that critical tasks are completed first. Effective prioritization can significantly boost your productivity by directing your efforts toward high-impact activities. Use the Eisenhower matrix, which divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on the first 2 categories to maximize your productivity. By systematically tackling these tasks, you prevent important work from becoming urgent and manage your time more efficiently. Tip number 3. Plan your day the night before. Taking a few minutes each evening to plan the next day can save you time and reduce morning stress. Outline your tasks and schedule so you can hit the ground running. Planning ahead ensures that you start your day with a clear focus and a roadmap for achieving your goals. Before you go to bed, write down your to-do list for the next day. Include specific tasks, deadlines, and any appointments. This preparation helps you start your day with a clear focus and direction. A well-thought-out plan minimizes decision fatigue and helps you maintain momentum throughout the day. Tip number 4. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming, leading to procrastination. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps makes them more approachable and easier to complete. This method not only simplifies complex tasks, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. If you need to write a report, break it down into steps like researching the topic, creating an outline, writing the introduction, and so on. Tackling one step at a time makes the project less daunting. By focusing on small, manageable chunks, you can make steady progress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Tip number 5. Use the planner or calendar. Keeping track of your tasks, appointments, and deadlines in a planner or calendar helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss anything important. A visual representation of your schedule provides clarity and helps you allocate your time effectively. Digital tools like Google Calendar or physical planners can be very effective. Schedule your tasks, set reminders, and allocate specific time blocks for different activities. This visual representation of your schedule makes it easier to manage your time and stay on top of your commitments. Tip number 6. Time blocking. Time blocking involves dedicating specific blocks of time to particular tasks or activities. This method helps you focus on one task at a time and reduces distractions, enhancing your ability to work efficiently. For instance, allocate 9 to 11 a.m. for focused work, 11 to 12 p.m. for meetings, and 1 to 2 p.m. for answering emails. By setting aside dedicated time blocks, you can concentrate better and improve productivity. Time blocking also helps you maintain a balanced schedule, ensuring you allocate time for both work and personal activities. Tip number 7. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. Identifying and minimizing them can help you stay focused and complete tasks more efficiently. Creating a distraction-free environment allows you to immerse yourself in your work and achieve better results. Turn off notifications on your phone, close unnecessary browser tabs, and create a quiet workspace. If social media is a distraction, use apps like Freedom or Stay Focused to block distracting sites during work hours. By reducing interruptions, you can maintain your concentration and work more effectively. Tip number 8. Take regular breaks. Taking short breaks throughout the day helps maintain your focus and energy levels. The Pomodoro Technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, is a popular method that can enhance productivity and prevent burnout. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task without interruption. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break to stretch, grab a snack, or relax. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Regular breaks help recharge your mind and body, making you more productive in the long run. Tip number 9. Learn to say no. Taking on too many commitments can overwhelm you and hinder your productivity. Learning to say no to non-essential tasks allows you to focus on what truly matters. By setting boundaries, you can protect your time and energy for your most important priorities. Politely decline additional projects or meetings that don't align with your priorities. For instance, if someone asks you to take on an extra task at work, consider whether it fits into your schedule and current workload before agreeing. Saying no can be challenging, but it's essential for maintaining balance and staying focused. Tip number 10. Delegate tasks. Delegating tasks to others can free up your time for more important activities. Identify tasks that can be handled by someone else and entrust them to capable individuals. Effective delegation not only lightens your load, but also empowers others and fosters teamwork. At work, delegate routine tasks to your team members. At home, involve family members in household chores. This not only lightens your load, but also empowers others to contribute and develop their skills. Delegation allows you to focus on high-priority tasks that require your unique skills and expertise. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be able to manage your time more efficiently and achieve your goals with greater ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest tips and tricks. We love hearing from you, so please share your favorite time management tips in the comments below.